Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to integrate Popupsmart with Drip. Drip is one of the most useful marketing tools you can integrate easily with Popupsmart, but before we start there are some things to remember. First of all, you need to have a Drip account and a Popupsmart account, of course, and your website on Popupsmart should be verified. So I'm editing one of my pop-up campaigns right now. If you don't have a Popupsmart account, you can create one for free. And as you can see, we have the email form element right here. When I click on it, I see the integration part on the left-hand panel, and then I will continue with add integration. Here you can see Drip. Let's click connect. Here you can select an API, but if it's your first time integrating, you can just go to Drip and find your API. Let's go to Drip now. On the upper right corner, you will see your profile. Click on it, then continue with user settings. When you scroll down, you will see your API token. You should copy it, and let's go back to Popupsmart. Okay, I will click on add new Drip API and then enter a connection name. And we have the API key right here, so I will just paste the API here, and then we have the account ID. For this, go back to Drip and back to your dashboard, click on your profile again, and when you click your account name, scroll down and you will see your account ID. Let's copy and go back to Popupsmart and paste it. Let's save it. Okay, on the match field section, we have the email address. First of all, because I have an email form field element, I will just choose email input. But if you add other elements like first name, last name, or address, you can also select the related drop down here. And the data source should be the form field because we have the email address form element. Let's scroll down and save it. So we successfully integrated Popupsmart with Drip. By default, the connection is on. By just clicking on the three dots right here, you can activate or deactivate it. You can also edit your integration and delete it from here. And lastly, I want to remind you that we have the settings on the left-hand panel. You will see you can also follow the same steps if you want to add integrations from here as well. So that's it from me. If you have further questions, feel free to contact us, and I'll see you next time.